here. Hi. Hi. Yes, I'm right here. Welcome back to the vlogs. Today we are spending the day in country. You guys, well, some of you guys know my country is in St. Catherine. I know some people are gonna say that's not country, but that's country to me, okay? But we're spending the day here in country. It is Easter Sunday, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what we get up to while we're here. Ollie's here as well, so you guys will see him. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Hey. Hi piggies. Oh gosh, love pig, you know. Oh gosh, if Vanessa did grow up when Grandpa was here, with all heap of animals, you don't understand. You would understand, you Gen Zer. The view is crazy. The view, auntie? Because all I treat them gone. But oh, you gotta get that. Oh, can smell the pigs before you see them. 29 jackfruit. Me now come down there some mommy. Oh, but I'm small, them a big. Yeah, but I first never see it here, so. That's true. Or is it because we always come when them, but then again we come when them green too. You don't see so much. I'll show you guys. I hate spiders. Gross. No, please don't. I can't. No, I don't do spiders. Okay? So I'm going away? Not yet. Just come. You want to play? Yeah. I have to go to the car first and then come back. Okay, I have to listen. Okay. Somebody won't walk, so we got to carry. Ali, I'm not letting you go. everybody that's seeing Ollie is saying how big he is, and I'm glad that I'm not the only one that thinks he's big. He's a big boy. He doesn't look big on cameras or pictures, but he's big. He's a little anxious. Not a little, a lot. I'm not gonna use no bathroom. Come, let's go. Come. We're at the church, or the graveside by the church, visiting my grandparents. Brought Ollie to say hello, but Ollie is more focused on pulling me all about the place and trying to get away from all the people because he's scared. Ollie, I'm not going down there, so he's gonna need a bath. Brush and a bath. We're not going down there. On our teeth. On our teeth. What that? These berries. What that? Mint. Mint. The leaf them picky? Different mint for the fine leaf. Not fine mint, but like the. Oh, this other one we have. Not drink. Smell it. Smell it. Let me smell it. And say it again. Say it again. Say it again.
Yes. No dog. No puss.
Him said him won't drive with no animal named car. Only him goat. Hey, you don't hear them something regular, you know?
I go to my best friend now.
You go to your best friend, but you're not going to drive with a cat or a dog.
So you're going to kill the goat?
Not
your pet?
No, my pet.
No,
Your pet, but look at that. Your pet goat, but you're not going to drive with a cat or a dog in the car, but you drive with the goat. But the goat not more likely to smell and so.
Smell?
You know them have the goat smell, eh?
Right now I want to pick up my mind.
Especially ram goat then.
Yeah. Smell like food, that them smell like.
Goat nice, man.
Here they know.
Look where we go.
No, but honestly, the mint smells so good.
You come to country and get this and mint and one naceberry.
Look how much loaded tree you want past road. Find a stick and start picking.
We're on the hill.
Hello. Oh, you're going to go cook? I wanted to go back up to the house and see the pigs, you know, up close, you know, for my vlog. Need a way pound if we don't do on the... Come, I can't leave Ali. So bring him in the car with you. Yes, ma'am. Come, sir.
Yeah, we are going on.
Can manage him and him fur? Yeah, I forgot all him.
Just climb on the something.
Here, no, you see? Nobody wants to hold him because it's all fur. And they're gonna be filled with fur. And I need fur coat, you know. All I need a Ollie. But you don't watch him up like him free. Tell him hello.
Hello,
Ali, you don't tell Ali hello from him, come.
Ali, not the hello, Ali. She's going to phone Ali.
What you mean for you?
Hello, Ali. Check on Ali. Coward.
Very coward.
So let me say. No, there's fur everywhere. This is why I don't have Ollie up on me most of the time. I can't manage him fur. He sheds so much, and then I feel like he's shedding again because the time hot. Like him shed periodically.
With already still alive. You see one more fur everywhere, all over the city, everywhere. You see one
Fur
load of white fur.
But he wasn't even fluffy, so imagine. Oreo never really fluffy. It's kind of short here. But Ollie's like 10 times the amount. So you saw the car, look already. You see me? Y'all can't see it, but I'm full of fur. I can't manage. Cannot manage it. So I have to brush him and stuff. But when I brush him that often, to be honest, so it kind of almost, it does a little bit, but it's too much. Yeah. One thing I love about country though, even though it's busier than it used to be, the road's still a lot quieter. Hello. It's still a lot quieter than, you know, like back down. Yeah. So you can walk in the middle of the road. So it's really nice. You know? But I wanted to show you guys the back of the house because there's some kids. Big number one. Hello. You're so big. He probably thinks I have food, which I do not have. Hello. I hear another one over here. Hi. Oh, I can't believe the place is so clear now, like everything mashed down. You're standing in the kitchen, what was once the kitchen. Another pig here. Hi, Mr. Pig. Eh? Oh. Hello. No, get up. Time up now. Oh, the view is so nice. Right to say you never used to can't see that view here. Stopped at the Island Grill in Spanish Town. It looks so nice. It's like a brand new plaza. This is like a housing scheme though, and then it have a business center at the front. That's like that. Yeah. Come on, Nessa. It's pretty. Island Grill. This that Juicy Patties has like franchise in the US now. Island Grill needs a franchise in the US too. I think they do well. This is really nice though. We need one in Portmore in my area. It's so nice. I could not move to Spanish Town. This is nice and all, but moving to Spanish Town is just, I can't. It's too far. Portmore is already far. Spanish Town is like too much at this point. you know. Owls! Tail is back up. Tail is back up. Good morning.
Oh, you're mad with me right now.
You see?
You're mad with me, I know. I have to go outside.
Oh, you look so
You're outside all day yesterday.
right?